Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I want to talk about frameworks. Not any tool or application, just frameworks in general. So what is a framework? A framework is simply a structured way of thinking or working. You know, in my last video, I discussed about the framework that you can apply when you're working on your data story. So framework gives us the structured way of thinking or working. If we don't have a framework in place for data storytelling, someone may tell us, go and write your data story. But you need to know how you're going to approach writing your data story. So I think working on that's sort of given me this light bulb moment to say, let me approach every new project or anything that I need to work on with a framework. Let me ask the question, what framework can I apply to get maximum results? So a framework creates this repeatable process, right? So when we have a repeatable process in place, we can come and review this process again and improve it. And then we can apply this process to any new project that we need to work on. For example, I'm currently learning the 5-day AI Agents intensive course with Google, right? We've got 5 days of working through the assignments and working on our project. But because now I'm approaching this with a framework mindset, I went over to AI and I prompted it. I said, I'm learning about AI agents. I'm following this course here. 5-day of AI agents intensive course with Google. So what framework can I apply to effectively learn? Okay, so it proposed the following frameworks. We've got the 70-20-10 framework. We've got the Feynman technique framework, meaning after I learn, I need to be able to explain it simply to someone else. I have the build, reflect, and rebuild cycle framework. So now with this idea or this framework in place, I can apply it to my learning and say, okay, in day one, this is what they want us to learn. But I will approach this with a framework mindset in mind. So this is what I'm doing now, trying to identify the framework that I can use, that I can apply to get maximum results. Because remember, a framework creates this repeatable process. So once we have a process in place, we can easily get this process and apply it to whatever projects we need to work on. Okay, it gives us this structured way that we can follow. Well, thinking about frameworks, I think it's going to really help me as I approach new projects. I hope this will also give you something to think about if you don't have a plan or framework in place when you're approaching a project. If this video was of help to you, please comment below and let's all share and learn together. Well, thank you so much for watching and I'll talk to you all in my next video.